TS4. So we just finished this one here. This one, as you can see here, is the T-taps there. And we go into this one here. Oh, I thought I still had the plastic on, but the plastic not on that one. So from here, they're showing you the colors. They're showing you the cable size, which is the wire size to go in. They're showing you look like the quantity they're giving you there. So this one is solder seal wire connectors. So this one more easier to use. Plus one, I think it had the kind of heat shrink too inside there. So when you heat it, when it melts in here, it also seals the end there as well. So it's solder the wire together and also strings on the wire to help it be properly sealed and waterproof. And this is how much you're getting in there. So the yellow, green, blue, red, white for the smallest size wire. Wait, was saying out here, right? So the size 26, 24. And with wires, the smaller the gauge is, the bigger it is. So when somebody say 1 gauge wire, most likely is the thickest size wire you could get, and the higher it go, the smaller it is. Like where the white is the smallest. Alright, so let me get into it and take a quick look at it there. Let me watch the little babies here. Yeah, so there how small is there. Little solder there, so you just put your wires together, you slip this on over one of them, then turn your wire, tighten it up nice, pull this back over, use a heat gun, heat it up, melt the solder. These ends go closing to help seal it with the heat as well. And you're good to go. Let me check out the biggest size one. So this is the yellows there. You get to see straight through there. So this one taking a nice size wire through it. The red. That's a little bigger than the white. Blue. The green. And plus it also have the labels and it telling you how much what sizes and stuff it taking. Showing you the stages as well to go through to do it. This one don't need any crimp and stuff like what we have here, but we do have the wire stripper in case you need to cut the wires to slip these in. Make sure that's closed down good. Right, it is closed. Feeling like it's kind of open. And we also have the crimper for these and the one underneath there to use. Yeah, that's it. The videos won't be too long because I just to go through these one by one and get the videos out. TS4 out.